How to change your gender to male on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender to male on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here on the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and after you click on settings and privacy you will see settings. Click on it and go down until you find profile information and click on it, and here all you need to do just click on this one, basic info, click edit, and then just click on male. You will find it, or female or custom, just click male, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.